Kublai Yapi Baro. Na Kadodarshan Kendra Shillong Sesisian Pat Nyepedang Sobha Yapi Syakane Katop Kubor Mentaka Janmit. Haswa Begin Yapet Yaki Kubor Kibabania Akin Dikilong Kimat Kibakongsan. Poi ke India haka benta ka bakhaddo jangka lockdown ke balai onai jingkren menteri RANGBAH do kariu Narendra Modi haka puat BAJE mentakamiet on KHAM penjensur ki KYNDON bat on thau hi ke JYLLA yaki du kom trai kam banyele persya eka klam COVID-19 ong menteri RANGBAH AITI ki kle nong sumshar SHNONG ya ka memorandum ka HYNRIEW telikimat syaka sorkar haka bayadai ba ka jingting jings iya kipat ba ya ka JINGPANG COVID-19 Badio lom ki pulet penyak kali ke East Khasi Hills kan HYNRIEW lak tekana ka KUNA balad dan nakito gi PYNKHEIN yaki KYNDON jong ka lockdown Nginya pet menta yaki kubor ki babanya Menteri RANGBAH do kariu Narendra Modi on JINGKREN hakapor BAJE mentakamiet. Kani kejing JINGKREN kalong hadian jong kejing penlong ya kejing yalang hapadeng jong Modi. Bat ki Menteri RANGBAH jong barok ki JYLLA halor kejing penjari ya ka lockdown nakadaw kejing sapriang ka klam COVID-19. Menteri RANGBAH do kariu lakan tu ya ki JYLLA banyamir jing mot lang halor kilat kilenti bakin syim haswa ka khatsan terik mentau benai KUMNO kitmu ban le halor kejing penjari ya ka pakhang SHNONG haka JYLLA jongki. Hakari hakini ki arku sawanta baladep KINDON jaki nongpang COVID-19 kalakieu syaka nyau pau hajar nyau spa sanpun reu ngot bat kejing yap kalakieu syaka hajar spa khandai pulai ngot Menteri RANGBAH ka MEGHALAYA Konrad Sangma oleh thu baka sorkar JYLLA kan haban ai ka kaipot syaka sorkar pedeng halor kilat kelenti bat ki program bapher baka thmu ban syem ban TEHLAKAM ya ka yo ka kot ha ka JYLLA habakren sikinong thok khobor hadian ka jing yalang ka HYNRIEW kanta lengba ka video conference bat Menteri RANGBAH do kari Narendra Modi bat ki weidi ki Menteri RANGBAH nen ka sngi sang mau le thu bo Menteri RANGBAH do kariu laong ba man laki JYLLA ki dai ban wa ya laki jong kilat kelenti ban ya chakmat da ka ba ong ba on sanang KHAM sting bat penjensur ki KYNDON haki babon ki liang sang mau le thu ba on AILAD KHAM kelut ki JYLLA bakin syem ya karai haka bayadai bat KUMNO ban sedang biang ki kam ki jam ban penjari ya kejing pakhang SHNONG haki jaka KIBA kan ni kejing pang ka kenrei
was there, second is not the same in the third, and therefore the definition of the word lockdown itself is something that is, I should say, very dynamic. So now what we're going to see is that I think the correct word to use is restrictions. So therefore we are going to see a lot more relaxation. We're going to also see a lot more freedom and flexibility being given to the states to decide what economic activities to start, which areas to define as containment zones or as red zones or other zones. So you will see a lot of flexibility being given to the states.
Kasen joki nong sensar SHNONG kabriu hinyo trap kalalet AITI ya ka memorandum ka badon HYNRIEW telikimat syaka sorkar JYLLA. Ya kani ka memorandum lalet AITI hau Menteri RANGBAH ka JYLLA Konrad Sangma sumbot Menteri RANGBAH ka JYLLA ba preston tensong badu Menteri katanat ka kot ka kia iba ALHEC iba RL bla iba long General Secretary jong ni ka senjok ila ong bakilaya thu ya ka sorkar halor ka jingtir jings ir jong ki pai ba ban lek sya sumar nakabenta ki wei pat ki JINGPANG nakadaw baki sngaw ba ki hospital ha Shillong la ithu kom ki hospital nakabenta ban sumar ya ka JINGPANG COVID-19 kat kom ka jingya thu jong iba bla ka sorkar kala dep pensai bakat hado menta tang ya ka Shillong Civil Hospital Batura Hospital la ithu ya ki kom ka hospital ban sumar ya ki nongpang COVID-19. Kiwei pat kimat balawan ra di ba RL bala ki kenthop ro ya ka jinglet shaw ya ki breu ka JYLLA ki basakot sa kiwei pat ki JYLLA. Iba bala ila ong ro baka sorkar JYLLA kadang ap ya ka jing betha jong ka tanat ki kam kor bari nakabenta ka jing trei kam pat jong ki lengson bat ki rel ki balabu kerpang ban ket ya ki to ki badang sakut sabar jong ka JYLLA.
So we have sought a clarification that the government should come out to the public to let them know. And we have been made to understand that Civil Hospital Shillong has been identified as a COVID center. So in our state, we have 2 civil hospitals, that is Tura Civil Hospital. And first priority should be given to those people who are stranded, who have gone for medical treatment, like CMC Velo, and different parts of the country also, in different hospitals, they are stranded. So the problem right now for these cases is that the state government is awaiting the green signal from MHA.
Nang ban penthi kena ya kajing shong shngan joki ba bat banyada na kajing sapriang uknyang jingpang coronavirus ha kajala katnat ki pulet penya kali ha Shillong kala shim ya karai banle dakabateng persha ki ba PYNKHEIN ya ki KUNDON ka lockdown lani ka pakhang SHNONG bat tang hapo arbanai kalala banlum ya ka KUNA ka balakot hado HYNRIEW lak tengka habakren bat ka di news Shillong u superintendent of police jang katnat ki pulet penya kali ubikram di marak ulayatho batang hapo kini ki arbanai ka district traffic police kalayo lom ya kane ka pisa nakitu ke bala PYNKHEIN ya ki KUNDON balabo na ka benta banyada na ka jing sapriang ka jingpang COVID-19 bala AITI ya ka syaka sorka JYLLA umarak ulo ongro baki pulet om tang baki DAIN KUNA henry ki daya thuro sapang ka KUNDON an bala pentrai kam Ulpen syairu baka jeng pentip halor ka jeng ya joki kali kat kum ki odd but even number kam trekam ha Shillong bat haki jaka ki bamarjan
brought out by the Deputy Commissioner. So during these 2 months, we have detected cases around 2,442 cases detected, means those violators, I mean. Then an amount of more than 16 lakhs within this period of 2 months has been compounded. This one we have to directly deposit to the government. Okay. Wherever our traffic duty personnel you will find, we are not only checking on the violators as well as we are giving the awareness. Regarding the flying of vehicles, see, people are misunderstanding that odd number, even number distribution of vehicle per day as per the order which has been brought out by the Deputy Commissioner. People have a confusion that they can ride along in the Shillong city also, but it's not that. That arrangement has been met only specifically for the rural areas, not for the Shillong agglomeration areas.
Kidon hado lai hajar lai pongot ki khna pule bat kinong trai ki balawan phai biang salaka jala nakaleng ki banta jong kathan chatai lam mingi habaya kren bakila pathai khobor nen gasngi iba preston tan song ila ong bakasor ka jala kala priang ya lai hajar lai pongot ki khna pule bat ki batrai sabar ka jala iba preston ila ong bakajeng penrong kerteng kan ple tat hado ka bakot jong kani kata yau hado menta kidon palat pra hajar ngot ki khna pule bat ki balatrai ki balada penrong kerteng bat kasor kawat kebaar banwan ya lam yaki badang sakut hakeleng ki benta jongkari kan long tat hado andala penya biang yaki rel bat kileng sun.
Also friends working in different private companies throughout the nation. The registration is still on and we have received till today about 8,000 numbers of registration. And we have taken a decision. Once the train services and flight services resume, those who plans to come back to our state, number one, the protocol number one is they have to go through the rapid test in the respective entry points.
Na pule ki bapule hakota Rajasthan kilawan phai no shalaka jong ka jala Kaalan Karya Institute rangkat kajingya trelang bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka Sorkar Rajasthan bat ka Bihari Welfare Association kila shim ne kajing ket khle banwan yalam yakini ki khna pule sha ka jala hakane kajing wan labot perkhenge ki KUNDON bat ki khna pule kila sha screen bat la batha yaki ban quarantine lane ban penkarpang yalade ban yada na kajing pang COVID-19 Kibor penyak distrik Gilasha tang Marshiteng na kikali banyat ha West Khasi Hills District nado nen kesngi. Katkum kejing petha jong ke sorkar kikali ke badan ya registration number ML not HYNRIEW but not HYNRIEW A but ki bakot haki number not iway R lai but sao la sha bakin yat haka sngi ka baningkong but ki kali ki badon ki number ki bakot san HYNRIEW nyau pra but khandai la sha bakin yat haka sngi ka babot katkum ka jinge tho jak kinong nya taksi na nongston ki ong ba ki yat katkum ka pali but ket tang laingot ki breu kata uway hakmat but arngot hadien Alfred Merthong Obadeu President Jongkat Nongston Regional Local Taxi Owners and Drivers Association ulang mikindong nya akikit ya kibreu katkum ka KUNDON bala peni da ka sorkar par ka jing peni jengai iway na iway pat.
Ila su le da ka bang yestu juma pa da ka ba ni hap hiban ya perni ya ketiga berbagai kali ka ba na ka distinction ka bang iwan adu ha kejata ka bang kaibiang
Ka NSS unit jong ka Ribhoy College ringkat ka jing trailang bat ka NSS unit hapo ka jing kni jong ka school ba nehu kala sam yo khaw uphan ka sabon bat ki mas blashna dagi nong yarap jong ka NSS shakilong yeng ki bahab hapo ka SHNONG skun lapan long ro ya ka program a jing tep halor ka JINGPANG COVID nakabenta ki to ki bayo jing hikai halor KUMNO ban shna hi ki mas karukom siat Sat egikti baban penia jenga AILAD na kiwei pat kala don ru ka jing hikai lengba ki jing tho haki jai ktien bagi pat ba ki la ban sngo tho bala penmi da ka sorkar JYLLA ya ka balata de ki volunteer ha keleng ki benta jong ka SHNONG kumsi benta ban pen sapriang jing tip halor KUMNO ban le khot ban penia jenga AILAD na kiwei pat ngin ya phai pat menta sha ka JINGLONG JINGMAN jong ka sun beneng ka jing shet jing kret ka soy maneng ha Shillong ka long arku saw point iwe degree Celsius sakapor man step bat khat saw point khandai degree Celsius sakapor janmet ka jing snap ka haw ka long repun reu na ka sispa man step bat nyau phau na ka sispa janmet ka soy maneng kan dom lo ha Shillong bat ki jaka ki ba marjan bat ka la ro bandon ka jing hap slap bat ka jing tet uperthat te paralok baro kitikilo ki khubor nakathop khubor jongi menta ka janmet ngin sai syambiang bat philasai janmet haka joka por baka joka channel nakabanta ki wei pat ki khubor te tat hadu kata ka por sachi sen pat khublai phi baro